All right, guys, we are finished with the MAX1 mantle mount. As you can see, it's mounted above the fireplace here, and you can pull it out full motion. You can move it right, you can move it left. You can drop it down to whatever height. To the viewing capacity, to the level of the couches, so you're watching it comfortably. And as you can see right here, this is the full motion dual arm that will fit up to an 85-inch flat panel TV. And that's it, guys. Give us a call, 713-858-4108 for our Houston location, or our Woodlands location, 713-900-6034. Thank you, Houston, and thank you, Mantle.